study about kinds of verb in which we study today transitive verb and intransitive verb. Student, the Hindi meaning of transitive verb is Sakarmak Kriya and the Hindi meaning of intransitive verb is Akarmak Kriya. Student, what is the definition of transitive verb? The definition of transitive verb is that the verb which requires an object is called transitive verb. Means जो वाक्य और क्रिया के साथ ऑब्जेक्ट यानी कि कर्म जुड़ा हो उसे ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब कहते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, रवि रीड्स अ बुक, सीता राइट्स अ लेटर, द पियोन रिंग्स द बेल. In this sentence, the verb involves reads, writes, and rings. The object is book, letter, and bell. Now student, intransitive verb means akarma kriya. In intransitive verb, the definition is the verb which does not require an object is called intransitive verb. यानी कि जिस वाक्य में क्रिया के साथ कर्म न जुड़ा हो उसे intransitive verb यानी कि अकर्मक क्रिया कहते हैं. कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स यहाँ पे. एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ intransitive verbs are Ravi reads, Sita writes, the peon rings. Students, notice here that Ravi reads, but it is not given what Ravi reads. Sita writes, but it is not given here that what Sita writes. The peon rings, here not given that what peon rings. Means the object is not here. So these type of sentence is called intransitive. This type of verbs is called intransitive verb. And students, it is to be noted that the verb without object is called intransitive verb, and the verb with object is called transitive verb. And also we have to note that always the sentence of transitive verb ask a question to clarify about object by question word what and whom. Look here that Ravi reads a book. If you close this, what Ravi reads? Ravi reads a book. Sita writes a letter. If you close this, what Sita writes? A letter. The answer is a letter. The peon rings. What peon rings? The answer is the bell. But here, in the verb, there is no object. So students, I realize that you have to clear that difference between transitive verb and intransitive verb. If you have any questions in your mind, go to comment box and write your questions.